Rockstar Beth. So today I want to tell you about this really cool energy supplement that I came across. It's called Mattresses 7. Dr. John Gilmore is the creator, and basically I'm always looking for the next best energy supplement to keep me going throughout my crazy day between 2 kids, a husband, 4 dogs, a job, and the list goes on and on. We all know. So when I came across Mattresses 7 by Dr. John Gilmore, I really liked it because for a couple reasons. It's a sustainable energy throughout my day. It's not like a hard, chug Red Bull, get a nice pick me up and then crash super hard. It's not like that at all. It lasts throughout the day, almost little spurts here and there. The only thing that was interesting for me, not even a bad thing, is that it took a couple weeks to really get in my system, I think, and start working on a regular basis where I wake up feeling rested, I wake up feeling like I can take on the day. And that's how I felt today. So I definitely just want to share, because I know there's a lot of you guys out there who have the same everyday struggles in life to keep it going as I do, and this definitely helps. So if you want to give it a whirl, click on the description below and the link and get you some. So next time, guys.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.